What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to check out how to receive money on Venmo. No wasting no time, let's get right into it. First up, it goes without saying you're going to need to have a Venmo account to receive money on Venmo. So if you haven't opened up a Venmo account yet, I did a video on that before. You can check that video out and then come back to this one. So basically, when you're done receiving the money, first up you want to share your unique Venmo username or QR code with the person that's sending you the money. So this person will initiate a payment to your Venmo account, and then you're going to receive a notification when the payment is sent, and you can accept the payment and the funds will be sent straight to your Venmo account. All right, simple as that. Now, for you to request payments, first up you want to open the Venmo app, launch the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then tap the request button. All right, you're gonna first locate the request button at the bottom of the screen and tap that request button, and then you have to enter the recipient's information, so their name, username, phone number, and email address, and then the amounts. So once you enter the amounts, and you could add a note, probably to let the person know what you're requesting that money for or whatever, but that's optional. So once that is done, you send it to them, and then they will receive that payment request. And once they confirm that and send the money, you're gonna receive the notice for it. So that's pretty much it. All right, so like the video if you like the video, and comment and let me know what you thought. Share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.